You all better get in on Citi Trends deal before it is all finished. So at Citi Trends, I'm not sure how long this will last, but they have their products that have the yellow tag. They are buy one get one free, which means they have to be of the same price. It could be two totally separate items. As long as it's the same price with a yellow tag, it's buy one get one free. So these women's perfume, and guys, they smell amazing. These were $10 each. I have 2, 4, 6, 8. So I paid $40 for all 8. Yeah, $40 for all 8. So these two, $10 for both. They were $5 each because of the sale. This men's gift set, this was $3. I didn't find a second one, so I paired it with this women's perfume that was also $3. So this Mystery and Excellence perfume, this was $3. This was $3. So they ended up being $150 each. So 2 for 3. This with initial M, which is my initial, that was $3. I paired it with one of these, what is a 6-pack of socks for $3. So these were $1.50 each, and these two were $3, $1.50 each. So if you have a Citi Trends near you, get over there, get these items. As I said, I don't know how long this will last. So all of this was, I believe, $49. Let me show you all the receipt. Here is the receipt, clearance Bogo free. So $49 for everything right here. I could make this back with one gift basket. When I say one gift basket, I put one of these perfume in the basket, plus some other stuff that I got from CVS that were actually free. I might put a little, something from Dollar Tree that looks kind of expensive with it. Boom. I made back my $50 right there on just one product. You see what I mean? All right, so get over to Citi Trends if you have one near you. Check it out on your phone. If there's any Citi Trends near you, go to Citi Trends, get in on this deal. As I said, I don't know how long this is gonna last, but get it while you can. Mother's Day is coming up. Father's Day is coming up. Christmas is coming up. Yeah, I said it. Christmas is coming back again. So go to Citi Trends, get these deals before they're all gone. Bye.